In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a comprehensive website performance report in Looker Studio using Google Analytics 4 data. This is a powerful way to gain insights into your website's performance, and it's a great tool for anyone aiming to optimize their digital presence. Let's dive in and start from the very beginning. First, ensure you meet these basic requirements. You need access to a GA4 property for your website, a Google account to use Looker Studio, and sufficient permissions to view the data within that GA4 property. With those in place, you're ready to build your report. Start by heading over to Looker Studio and signing in. Once you're on the dashboard, you'll want to initiate a new report. This is done by clicking on Create, then selecting Report to open a blank report canvas. The next step is to add your Google Analytics 4 data as a source. In the Add Data panel, look for the Google Analytics connector and select it. Choose your specific GA4 account and property, which corresponds to your website, and add this data to your report by clicking Add and then Add to Report. Naming your report is essential for organization, especially if you manage multiple projects. Click on the default title, Untitled Report, and rename it to something clear and easily recognizable, such as Website Performance. Now, on to adding some substance to your report. Key metrics are vital, and scorecards are an excellent tool for showcasing these. You'll want to include metrics like total users, total sessions, average engagement time, and bounce rate. To add these, go to Add a Chart, choose the scorecard option, and then select the specific metric you want to display. Next, let's enrich the report with tables and charts to provide a deeper understanding of the data. Start with a table. Set the dimension to page path or page title, and metrics to page views, engaged sessions, and average engagement time. Additionally, incorporate various charts for a visual representation of data. Use a time series chart to track sessions over time, and bar charts to highlight top-performing pages. A crucial feature for reports is the date range control. This enables you and others reviewing the report to adjust the time frame, whether it be for the past week, month, or another specific period. Incorporate this by using the Date Range Control option in Looker Studio. Furthermore, apply filters and breakdowns to refine your data. Filters can help exclude irrelevant pages like admin pages, while breakdowns by device category or geography can offer insights into performance differences. As for styling and layout, use the Themes and Layout options in Looker Studio to select consistent fonts and colors. This will make your report not only visually appealing, but also easy to digest at a glance. Arrange your charts and tables thoughtfully to enhance readability. Finally, once your report is polished and ready, think about sharing and automating it. You can share the report via a link or invite collaborators directly. Setting your report to auto-refresh data ensures it stays up to date with the latest information, and you also have the option to schedule automatic email delivery to keep stakeholders informed. By following these steps, you'll have a professional, insightful website performance report at your fingertips, ready to inform and guide your digital strategies. Thank you for watching, and happy reporting.